Berliner Hall, Series 1 again. I'm wasting the battery life on these. I guess it's a lecture room. It's got those chimes though. That's cool. Oh, whoa! It's one of these kinds of Series 1s, like kind of like a transitional one, I guess. It's a weird one. Has a lot more floors than I thought. What kind of phone do we have? Nothing. It's just one of those. Cab itself, nice, but I just looked at the ceiling, it looks a bit run down. Look at this. Looks kind of like some of the other Otises I saw on this campus. There's another one I saw with the same cabs, just different buttons. These are clicky. This one's not. These are clicky, they might have been. This one's not. Okay. I'm wasting my battery life on Series 1. There it goes, and that's it.